All right, hello YouTube and welcome to Whiteboard Weather, a Thursday edition, the last day of February. Wrapping up the month on a quiet note today across western Pennsylvania. Sunshine, cooler temperatures, low to mid 30s, but actually not too shabby to round out the month. Although March will be coming in like a lion for a variety of reasons, which I'm about to outline. First off, late tonight, there's going to be a system coming through or coming close to the area that will provide some light snow showers in parts of the area, and as a result there is a winter weather advisory that is in effect for the lower highlands, highest elevations of Westmoreland, Fayette counties down into parts of western Maryland and northern West Virginia. That advisory again is just for the lower highlands only. 9 o'clock tonight through 9 o'clock Friday morning, 1 to 3 inches of snow late tonight in those areas only, as the system quickly will be passing through the area. Let's break it down for you. Head to the weather maps and we will start with this evening. System I'm talking about is right here. Low pressure that's down in through parts of the mid-Atlantic. As that tracks by to the south, it's going to throw some light precip north, which is going to fight some dry air being funneled south by high pressure. You'll notice by Friday morning, things pretty much wrapped up with, again, a light precipitation event locally. Could be a couple inches in the lower highlands, but things wrap up and high pressure reassumes dry weather for Friday night, and I think Saturday as well. Although Saturday will bring with it an approaching cold front. We'll skip ahead. This is Saturday morning at 7 a.m. You'll notice still dry here. Here's a cold front back in through Indiana. That's going to cross here Saturday late day, early evening, and as it does so, behind it we'll get an initial shot of some colder air, which will also coincide with the arrival of a more significant system the second half of the weekend, which is what I want to focus on now. This is a time frame of Sunday morning, 7 a.m. So as Sunday starts off, it's going to be quiet. You don't notice any precipitation here. The storm system's developing down here. We'll be tracking through the mid-Atlantic, but it's probably going to take until right around or shortly after lunchtime to get any precip to fire up. As we skip ahead, I will show you this is 1 o'clock, and you'll notice some light shading, some flurries start to fly, and then as we skip ahead about 6 more hours, this will be 7 o'clock. Sunday evening, that's when things start to ramp up. You can see that low moving through the mid-Atlantic. It's going to track by to our south, but the precipitation goes all the way up to the lower Great Lakes. That'll put us in a zone that's going to see a period of some light snow, perhaps steady, late Sunday, Sunday night. The good news is this is going to move fairly quickly, so it's going to be out of the picture, it looks like, by Monday morning, and that's what we're going to move ahead to now. This is 7 a.m. Monday morning. You'll notice the low is all the way up right off of, let's say, Cape Cod. So it's quickly moving away and things have gone quiet here. So our period to see some snow and accumulating snow likely will be, again, the second half of Sunday, perhaps Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, and early Sunday night, and then things will taper off overnight. So Monday will just be focused at that point on the transition to some much colder air for the first full week of March. So let's get to the whiteboard and the forecast. Tomorrow, March the 1st, marks the arrival of what's known as meteorological spring. The actual spring equinox on the calendar is not until March the 20th, but meteorological spring, which is March, April, and May, arrives tomorrow. The averages for the month of March, high and low, are 49 and 30. And tomorrow night on Facebook Live, 6 o'clock, hope you can join me. We're going to do a Q&A called Ask Jeff Almost Anything. So if you can join me tomorrow night at 6 o'clock on Facebook Live. Bet you didn't know stressed backwards is desserts. Tonight, 28, cloudy skies, light snow showers after 11 o'clock. Locally, it's going to be less than an inch, so not a huge impact. 1 to 3 over in the lower highlands. Then for your Friday, 41, a mostly cloudy sky. Still lots of clouds around tomorrow night, 30 degrees. We shift ahead to Saturday. Mainly cloudy skies, a seasonal high temperature of 42. Sunday, 34 In the morning, cloudy. In the afternoon, light snow arrives. Accumulation possible into Sunday night, with the snow ending by sunrise on Monday. And as I get a better handle on the track of this system, I'll probably give you an accumulation outlook tomorrow for late Sunday and into Sunday night. And then the focus early next week, just to turn to some really much colder air. Temperatures in the 20s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So we're going to see a big shift in the temperature outlook by the early to middle part of next week. So that is going to wrap it up for a Thursday edition of Whiteboard Weather. Thanks for joining me here on YouTube, and spread the word. Tell people we're posting here every day. We're giving you the accurate weather information you're looking for at your fingertips anytime you want it. So we want to continue to grow our YouTube subscriber list. So spread the word. Whiteboard Weather here on YouTube. Have yourself a great Thursday, everyone. Peace.